Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. Today, we're going to cover 50 useful English phrases for daily life that will make your conversations smoother and more natural. Whether you're at home, at work, or out with friends, these expressions will help you navigate through various situations with confidence. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's kick things off with some greetings and introductions. You can say, good morning or good afternoon when you meet someone, and if you want to be more casual, just say, hey, how's it going? When you're introducing yourself, use phrases like, hi, my name is, or I'm nice to meet you. These simple greetings set a friendly tone for any interaction. Next, we have some phrases for small talk. Ask questions like, how was your day? Or what have you been up to? And if someone asks you, respond with, I've been busy with work, or just relaxing at home. This keeps the conversation light and shows interest in the other person's life. Now, let's look at some expressions for making requests. Use could you or can you when you need help. For example, could you pass me the salt, please? Or can you help me with this? Don't forget to say thank you after someone helps you. It's a great way to show appreciation and be polite. When asking for directions, start with, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to? Or is this the way to? For example, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library? If you don't understand the directions, just ask, could you repeat that, please? Or I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. If you're in a store, here are some useful phrases for shopping. How much does this cost? Or do you have this in a different size? If you need help deciding, ask, what do you recommend? Or is there a discount on this item? These questions will help you get the best deals and find what you need more easily. Let's move on to ordering food at a restaurant. Start with, I'd like, or can I have? For example, I'd like a coffee, please. Or can I have the menu? If you want to change your order, say, can I have that without onions? Or could I get extra cheese on that? These small requests are totally fine to make. When you're out with friends or meeting new people, you might want to use some expressions to agree or disagree. Say, I agree with you, or that's a good point, when you want to support someone's opinion. If you have a different view, say, I see what you mean, but, or I'm not so sure about that. This way, you can share your thoughts respectfully. And don't forget to use these polite expressions. Excuse me, I'm sorry, and please. These little words make a big difference in how your message is received. For example, excuse me, may I ask you a question? Or I'm sorry, could you repeat that? They show that you respect the other person and value their time. Finally, when it's time to leave, use farewell phrases like, goodbye, see you later, or take care. If you want to be more formal, say, it was a pleasure meeting you, or I hope we can talk again soon. Ending your conversations with a polite goodbye will leave a lasting positive impression. And there you have it, 50 useful English phrases that you can use in your daily life. Practice these until they become second nature, and don't be afraid to try them out in real conversations. The more you use them, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more helpful English lessons. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. See you in the next video, and happy learning!